Greetings everyone. In this video we are going to be discussing OneUp, and this is the best social media scheduling and management tool. Now before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can use to simply get extended free trial as well exclusive benefits and rewards. Talking about the platform, on the top you can see you have your accounts that you can connect, and if you want to create a post, now you know how important your social media scheduling and management is. So if you want to create different posts, you can click on create a post and it will be directed towards a post creation section, but currently I do not have that access since my account is not on a premium version. So now let's just try to go back, and I'm going to be showing you through the other features that it has to offer. Now it have this option of calendar. Using this you can schedule different type of posts. You can see you have scheduled posts, published posts, and you can add anything that you would like in here by creating a post. Now it is going to be highlighted in here. You have your social inbox. Here all the messages and notifications from different social media platforms are going to be displayed. You can see your reviews section, and here of course the reviews are going to be populated. Since nothing is connected yet, we cannot see anything in here. And in the more, you can see your time slots, media gallery, analytics, team members, and other different type of verification and application settings. Now if you head over to your category section, here basically different you can add categories and create new one, or even update the already added categories, and these are related to different post categories that you can modify. So pretty good to organize everything. So this is a platform that I recommend. Now if you're still unsure about it, you can go through the words of people and read what people are saying and what is significant about this platform. You can see concise and accessible metrics, strongly recommended, gets the job done, and much more. So you can head over to the link in the description, get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive benefits and rewards. So thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.